Hi, I'm Dr. Rao with Prima Weight Loss in Northern Virginia. When it comes to lasting weight loss results, it's not just about quick fixes, it's about building a foundation. Today, I'll share with you what makes a weight loss plan truly sustainable. First, and most important, eat real food. Whole, minimally processed foods give us more volume, fiber, and nutrients, keeping you full and satisfied. In fact, studies have shown that diets rich in unprocessed foods can double fat loss compared to processed options, even at the same calorie level. That's the power of food quality. If you choose to integrate meal supplements for convenience or faster weight loss, be sure to use high quality, physician prescribed ones, such as those offered at Prima Weight Loss. Second, sustainability means balance. Extreme diets only last as long as your willpower. Consistency beats perfection every time. That's why your plan should be flexible, whether it's handling a weekend out or managing a busy workday, if you can stay on track long term. Next, make protein and fiber your best allies. Protein preserves lean muscle and fuels metabolism. It keeps you full. Fiber supports digestion and helps control hunger between the meals. Aiming for 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of ideal body weight can make a big difference in protecting your metabolism during weight loss. And remember, it's not just food. Lifestyle habits like regular movement, quality sleeps, and stress management can create the conditions for long-term success. Even small, consistent changes like planning your meals ahead or adding a daily walk add up to big results over time. To sum up, sustainable weight loss comes from whole foods along with some physician prescribed meal replacements if desired, balance, smart nutrition choices, and lifestyle habits. At Prima Weight Loss, we helped you to build that foundation with personalized, realistic plans that fit your life. If you're ready to create something that lasts, tap the link in our bio or in the description if you're watching on YouTube and send us a DM to get started. Your sustainable weight loss journey begins here.